Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix video metadata using Wondershare UniConverter. Metadata describes video specifics like video name, type, language, release date, genre, etc. This helps to sort out and organize your video collection. If your video file has incorrect or missing information displayed when being played, you can follow this tutorial to learn how to fix or edit your video's metadata. The first step in this process is to launch Wondershare UniConverter and then choose the media metadata function, which is inside of the toolbox here. You can see the third button over here. We can fix our media metadata. Then step 2 is to add our video file, which we can do by going to the choose file button here and selecting a clip. It's also going to ask to make sure you create a backup in case if you change things and don't go back without saving. Step 3 is to then add or fix our metadata. You can go through and add all of the information or adjust it from what it's already read from your file. So you can do things like select what type of media it is, change the actual name of the file, what season or episode it is, the language it's in, and even go through and put in all of the information about the actors and the people who worked on whatever the media is. And over on the right side, you can even add a custom image, and this will appear as the sort of thumbnail for your clip, and then go down and adjust other things like the release date, genre, and content ratings. Then step 4 is to save our metadata. If you hit cancel, all of these changes are not going to be saved, but if we want to save them, hit the save button, and it will then change the original metadata from our file. And that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's how to fix video metadata using Wondershare UniConverter.